Welcome back to our channel. Will Pepe Coin reach $1 in 2025? Let's break it down. Pepe Coin has taken the meme coin world by storm, but the real question is, can it hit the magic $1 mark in 2025? Let's look at the numbers. Pepe currently has a circulating supply of over 420 trillion tokens. That means for it to reach $1 per coin, the market cap would need to be $420 trillion. To put that in perspective, that's more than 10 times the entire crypto market, and even more than the GDP of every country on Earth combined. So realistically, $1 is not happening unless the supply is drastically reduced through massive burns, or there's a fundamental change in the tokenomics. But that doesn't mean Pepe can't pump. Meme coins don't follow logic, they follow hype, community, and timing. In 2021, Dogecoin exploded with just Elon Musk tweets. In 2024, we've seen 100x pumps from coins with no real utility, just memes and momentum. Right now, Pepe Coin is trending again. It's making headlines, getting listed on more exchanges, and attracting a cult following. Combine that with a bull market, and you've got the ingredients for another major rally. So, instead of asking, will Pepe hit $1, a better question is, can Pepe give you a 10x or even 100x from here? And the answer? If you buy during the dips and the community stays strong, it's possible. But always remember, meme coins are high risk, high reward. Only invest what you can afford to lose. That's it for today's Pepe Coin update. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more daily crypto updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.